just now I pulled off this stuff just to go from backwards to where I left off. This just came off, and so you got 6 bolts, 4 14 mils and 2 17 mils. And so let's keep walking backwards in quest here. So now this is what we got. The overdrive and the first set of clutches is out. So this is from inside to outside. You got this center support with the needle bearing and a race. And this flange goes towards the inside of the transmission. And before you get to that, you take this off, which is holding in all these springs inside the case in those grooves. So it's laid out 1 through 5, 1 through 5, 1 through 5. So you should have 12 springs, since there's 4 bays and you have 3 springs in each bay. 12 springs come out, and this is the seat for them. You can see where the spring marks were. So that'll kind of come out. And if you're doing it vertical, you might have an easier time, I guess, but it's good to use a magnet to grab those. And then you got a big face, big tapered face that goes taper towards the clutches, and then you'll have a couple rings to take off too. And then there's the clutch pack, and I haven't got into that yet, but I'm just leaving it there for now. And all that happens after you take off the rest of this shit. So you get this clip off after you pull the oil pump and the first set of stuff off. You take this clip off to be able to get to everything else, and that kind of enables you to pull this apart and everything, because this mates to the back side of this. Those 3-way flanged washers they have sex with each other at all times. They're just constantly mating with each other, so that's the point of connection right there. That's the split. So I'm gonna assess where I'm at now, continue on.